Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Walgiftedstore, a platform claiming you can snag a $700 Walmart gift card just by completing a few tasks. Because as we all know, multi-billion-dollar corporations are famous for handing out massive chunks of cash for essentially no reason. But before you start planning your shopping spree, let's look at the facts. The domain was registered in August 2025, making it so new it practically doesn't exist yet. It has no history, no user base, and the kind of reputation you'd expect from a ghost town. It's so fresh it's basically from the future, which is a great place to keep your non-existent credibility. The second red flag is that they use the Walmart name everywhere without any actual proof of a partnership. It's a bold move to use a global brand's logo when you're about as official as a $3 bill. I'm sure the legal department at Walmart is just thrilled about this unrequited love. To make things even weirder, the site doesn't even have its own landing page. It just redirects you to uplevelwards.com. This is basically the digital equivalent of a free candy sign on a windowless van, and it's just as professional. Redirecting users without explanation is a classic move for sites more interested in traffic than actually being legitimate. If you're looking for customer support, you might as well talk to a wall. There's no contact page, no privacy policy, and only a single, lonely email address on the redirected site. Good luck getting help from an inbox that's likely managed by a bot in a basement. They also proudly display shiny Trustpilot reviews that are completely imaginary, as the actual Trustpilot site has zero mention of them. They're so popular that even the internet hasn't heard of them, not a peep on Reddit or any other platform. If no one is talking about a free $700, that silence is deafening. The verdict is clear. Walgiftedstore is highly unsafe. It's a textbook data harvesting trap designed to grab your personal info rather than give you actual rewards. If it sounds too good to be true, it's probably just a creative way to steal your identity. Please avoid this site and keep your data to yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful and want to keep your wallet safe from the internet's bottom feeders, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scam alerts.